on the bees. Had a bit of snow lately, we have. Looking inside, this is sort of the doorway to keep people out. Okay, and you can see some dead bees on the floor, but don't get too worried that you get that quite often. Nothing to worry about, so we'll let ourselves in. Okay, and this is really just to check that there's no snow blocking the beehive entrances, so the bees can get in and out as they like. Okay, and there is one there. See, now that's a typical example of the snow blocking the entrance to the beehive. If you look at all the others, you know, they're very good. There's no snow anywhere. So the easiest way to clear that is just to flick it away with your hand. There'll be no bees flying because it is so cold. I mean, the one or two might come out and investigate, but you've got no chance of getting stung really. So we'll just brush that away with our hand, and you see it is quite firm. You know, you actually have to kind of dig it away, but this is actually stopping the bees from leaving the hive. And there you go. You can see there's a few dead bees inside. Even there's one or two you can see. They're actually trapped in the ice. You know, so this is not a good time of year for the bees really. I mean, if you look on the floor, you can see these are all dead bees here. But you do expect quite a few losses at this time of year. You know, and even if you look into the hives, you know, there's with that one there. There's quite a few dead bees actually there, where the cold's got to them. They've either got too old and they've died. But fortunately, most of them are good. Right, okay. So there we go. You see the snow sitting on top of the hives. There we go, and that's where we came in.